I'm going to have a fake tooth soon. Every time I go to the dentist, it always costs me an arm and a leg. When someone says something costs him an arm and a leg, it sounds pretty scary, right? And actually, even though this idiom is very commonly used and it doesn't mean anything violent anymore, but the backstory has something to do with war. Cost an arm and a leg is an idiom that means something is very expensive. I would love to buy a new iPhone 14, but it will cost me an arm and a leg. The origin of this phrase is not clear, but it is believed to have originated in the United States during World War II, where soldiers who lost their limbs in battle will receive compensation from the government that was referred to as costing an arm and a leg. Once upon a time, there was a young soldier named Jack. Let's just call him Jack. He lived in the United States during World War II. Jack was a brave soldier and fought in many battles. But unfortunately, he lost his left arm and right leg in a landmine explosion during a mission. After the incident, Jack had to spend months in the hospital to recover from his injuries. While he was in the hospital, Jack received a letter from the Army headquarters, which informed him that he will receive compensation for his injuries. However, the letter also stated that the compensation would cost an arm and a leg. Jack was confused and he was shocked when he read the letter. He wondered why the compensation for his injuries was phrased in such a strange way. The phrase had originated from the compensation given to injured soldiers during World War II, which was often not enough to cover all their medical expenses and other costs associated with their injuries. But nowadays, we don't use this word anymore to describe something that is dangerous or related with war. And hopefully, we won't have any more wars like this in the world that will cost people literally an arm and a leg. But in spoken English and also in written English, we still can use this word cost an arm and a leg in our conversations or written content, just to describe something that is very expensive. So next time, when you want to describe something is very expensive, you can use this is going to cost me an arm and a leg. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and follow me, and I'll see you guys next time in 闪颖 Blinglish 小颖课堂. Bye!